Good evening, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Market Moves. So, uh, since I had posted my last video till the last closing day, which was Friday, the market has done quite a bit. And apart from that big gap up due to the US market CPI data, which were positive for the markets, everything went exactly what I had mentioned in that video. I have found one thing that the way I have been mentioning the level, I actually try to predict the market movement for next 2 to 4 days. So that's why I am not posting daily the videos on daily basis, because the levels I have been posting have been working very well for the next 2-3 days. And those who are following continuously, they will find it that whatever has been mentioned, they have been very precise. And I have been actually updating the levels also in my free telegram channel. Today I will share the free telegram channel in my videos link, so you can get the link from there also. So let's start what Nifty and Bank Nifty are going to do for next 2-3 days. Today I will be also discussing about two stocks which are looking very well for upcoming days. First one is UBL, and then the second one is Naukri.com. So let's see Nifty. So it was a huge gap up from 18,000 odd level to 18,274. So I have been mentioning this thing also, that as long as the US markets are going to do well, since the Indian markets undertone is very strong, we will be doing exceptionally well. And the last day I had mentioned that the market, US market may have some consolidation, but in between the datas come up CPI, which were very positive, beyond the expectation of the US market. So it went around 900 plus points, so the Indian markets had to follow them. So let's see what is going to happen in Nifty and Bank Nifty for next 2-3 days. Now see, again Bank Nifty, rather Nifty opened here somewhere, that is around 18,269, and it went down to 18,256, and then the entire day was day for the bulls, and it managed to close around 18,348. I have mentioned one level, that is 18,293, and it is again level, and so many times it traded around it. More than half of the day it was around that level, and once it started trading about that level, it was a one way for Nifty. So now what is going to happen tomorrow or in next 2-3 days, let's discuss. So first of all, let me draw the high of previous day. So this is the high of previous day, that is Friday, and the low as well. So this is the low. Now this level 18,255 I had already marked in previous videos. You can go and watch it, and why this was, and this is still a very good level for Nifty. Now Nifty is also following this trend line, which I have extended now. So what we have to watch out for: first, tomorrow, as the SGX Nifty closed around 18,460 odd level, so we are going to match it tomorrow at the opening. So I think the opening is going to happen beyond this level. First thing, I am expecting that there may be a gap up, and it may happen around this level or above this level. Why? See, this POC is passing through this level, this trend line which is being followed by Nifty now. From here it is passing through there, and as well as this short period channel, the upper part of that channel is also passing through there. So this is the point of confluence actually, and whenever there is a point of confluence, believe me, that level works extremely well. So if there is any gap up above this point of confluence, then definitely we may see a sharp up move in Nifty. It may not happen immediately after the opening. It may have open here somewhere. If it opens around 18,460 at level, so suppose, then it may once come down to this level, and it will take some time here, as it did around 18,293 that day on Friday. It spent some time, and then once it started trading above it, it was a one way rally. So if the opening is going to happen around this level, that is 18,400 to 460 odd level, then once it may come down to this level, and then from here onwards it may continue its rally. And the next target for the Nifty, not for tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, but in next week, we can imagine that it may go around to 18,500 to 18,600 odd levels. Now what if Nifty opens somewhere here? So if it opens somewhere here, that is around the highs of the Friday, then we have to watch out for the price action, and let Nifty surpass this point of confluence, and stay there for at least 10-15 minutes. After that, if there is any positive formation like bullish Arami or bullish pin bar or bullish engulfing candle, then you can start your long side trade, and it will take Nifty all the way to 18,500 to 18,600 levels. Now I don't know whether straight way Nifty is going to touch this lower part of the channel or somewhere here. So that's why I have written 18,500 to 18,550. Now it is looking like 18,550 to 18,620, 625 levels, which looks like the next target for the Nifty. So after touching this line, Nifty will try to spend some time here, and once this level is broken, at least on hourly basis or on daily basis, and then definitely the next target is going to be this POC, which lies around 18,800. so on the upper side, these are the levels, and once this level is breached, then the target in next 2-3 weeks may be 19,000 plus odd levels. Now what if Nifty starts trading downwards? Now suppose it opens somewhere here without any gap up, and it starts trading downwards, then this small time frame trend line will work as a support. So you have to watch out for this level. Once this level is broken, then definitely this level, which has been mentioned by me for so many times now, while Nifty was going upward, it was a supply zone which worked as a resistance level. Now it will work as a support level. So if this trend line is broken in downwards direction, then this level will work as a very good support, and we can expect that from here, after a positive price action, it may start again going up, and this level will in that case work as a small resistance for the time being. And once this level is broken, then all those upper levels which I just mentioned are possible. Now what if it goes below this level? Then this is another point of confluence. Now this trend line is passing through there, the low of Friday is passing through that level, then this level which has been very important level. So this will be another point like this one, very strong point. So it may halt there, and we may expect that Nifty is not going to trade until and unless there is any big fall in US market below this level. If due to any reason, if it starts trading below this level, then the next target maybe 18,170, 80 odd level, and below that level 18,100 odd level. Now this will be an important level, and I don't think that Nifty is going to break this level in next 2-3 days. Now what about gap down? The gap down is possible around this level, and if that is the case, then you have to wait for next 10-15 minutes, and if after that gap down it forms positive formation here, then you can go for your long trades, and the targets will be as mentioned. Now after the gap down, if it starts trading below this level, then you have to wait, because it may try to come to this point of confluence, this very important support level, and once it comes here, then we will wait what type of behavior Nifty is going to show. If it starts trading below this level, then we may take our short trades that will take us to 18,180 odd level, and below that 18,100 odd levels. Now so far tomorrow or for next 2-3 days, this will be an important support. This one and this one will be very important supports for Nifty, and once this level is breached, then we may see another 150 to 200 points up move in Nifty, and above this area then it opens for the another 500-600 points up move. So let's see what Bank Nifty is going to do. Now first of all, let me mention one thing in this zoomed out chart of Nifty. You can see that head and shoulder type pattern is almost being formed here. So once this trend line is breached by Bank Nifty, it actually touched here, it tried to break above this trend line, but it failed, and it came down again to this lower part of the channel. Now see, this channel I have ever since I started this YouTube channel, this channel and that higher time frame channel for the POC is here for that higher time frame channel. These two channels I have always kept in my chart, and see how many times, whenever either from lower to upward direction or from upward to lower direction, whenever either these POC or this lower part or this POC came in between the path of Nifty or Bank Nifty, it performed exceptionally well, and those who followed my videos would have definitely traded very well. Now see, once this trend line is broken, we may see a very fast up move in Bank Nifty, which will take Bank Nifty to 42,850 odd levels, and once this POC is broken and Bank Nifty stays above it, the next target is this line, that is higher part of this channel. So that lies around 43,580 odd levels. Now I can't pinpoint the level where Bank Nifty is going to touch this level. So it may touch somewhere here, then it will be 43,500. Now if it spends some time here and then it will start its move, and then it will go to touch, then it will be around 43,600 to 43,650 odd level. So let the time tell everything. But what may happen tomorrow or in next 2-3 days? For that, let me draw a line where the low of the Friday is lying. So this is the low, so let me make it red. So this will be a zone now for coming days, which will act as a very good support, that is around 41,900 to 41,950, very important level. And above that level, this yellow line is a gain level, that is 42,068. So we have to watch out for this level. Now see, it is very visible that market respected this level very well. Now this is another theory, someday I will try to explain it. As long as Nifty is rather Bank Nifty is trading above this level, that is 42,068, 42,070 level, we can assume that Bank Nifty is super bullish, and we can see it achieving more higher levels in coming days. So let's see what is going to happen tomorrow. So this is the high of Friday's trade. So if there is any gap up in Nifty, so Bank Nifty will follow it. So it may happen somewhere here, either above this level or somewhere here. Now if that is the case, then again we will wait for next 10-15 minutes, and if there is any positive formation above this trend line, we may take our long trades, and which will take Bank Nifty to this POC line, which lies around 42,800, and above that level any hourly close or daily close above this POC, you can imagine that another 800 points is on card for next week or so. Now what if Bank Nifty opens somewhere here? Now this is point of confluence again. This POC is here, the lower part of this channel is here, then this gain level is here. So this level is going to be very important level. Now it was respected very well on Friday also. I had mentioned, I had posted this chart instantly when it was trading here, and I had specified it that looks like Bank Nifty is taking support at this point, and it did actually in that manner, and afterwards it started going up and it covered almost another 350 points. So it is again trading at the same level. So if the opening is going to happen somewhere here, then you will have to wait for some time, and if it starts trading above this level, and once it passes this channel, then again it will try to touch this high of Friday, that is 42,340 odd level, and above this level this trend line is going to work an important role for the next up move in Bank Nifty. Once this level is broken and Bank Nifty sustains above it, then it will be a very fast and furious up move, which will take Bank Nifty to this POC line, whatever that level is, around 42,900 to 42,950, and once it closes on hourly basis or on daily basis close will be more reliable, then the next target will be this higher part of that channel. Now in the downside, if this level is broken, we will not take any trade, because there is another very important zone which is going to act as a support for next some days. Now once this level is broken and Bank Nifty starts trading down, then definitely this gap which has been created on Friday will be filled by Bank Nifty. This is a rule in technical analysis. When wherever there is a gap, whether it is stock or indices, they out of 9 out of 10 times they come down and go up to fill that gap. So gap filling is a natural phenomena, and technical analysis it is followed very well by the traders. So once this level is breached convincingly, then sure Bank Nifty will come down to this level, that is 41,600 odd level, and that gap will be filled out at that time. And once this gap is filled, then it may start again an up move, and here we will try to observe for the price action. If positive price action like pin bar, bullish Arami, bullish engulfing type pattern is formed here, then we will start again our buy trades, which will take Bank Nifty above to this level, and after this will again act as a small resistance, and there will be series of resistances, this one, this one, this one. Once this level is broken, then again this trend line will be the target, and again I have just mentioned that if this trend line is convincingly broken by Bank Nifty, and if it stays above it, next target will be the POC, and afterwards just let me make it. After this POC, this upper part will be the target for Bank Nifty. So these are the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty for next 2-3 days. Let me mark this channel in a proper way. So these are the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty for coming days. And the bias is in positive side, and whenever you take trade, you have to be careful what US markets are actually doing. So on the last close looked flat, and see it also is respecting this channel very well. It is trading above this long term channel now, as well as it is well above this channel. So it is trading well above the importance level, so we may expect that in coming days also US markets will be biased positively, so our Indian markets will also be doing very well. So now two stocks which are looking very well for next 1 week or so. First one is UBL, United Breweries Limited. Now let me convert this chart into 2 hours. Now see what is happening. First of all, if I go to daily chart, see it is following this channel very well. Again and again, whenever it touches upper part, it comes down. It has been respecting this POC very well. Now it is just above, trading above the POC. This is another bullish sign. Now see here, almost a bullish Harami type pattern is being formed here, has been formed here around the important support level. Now let me convert it into 2 hours chart. So now see, it is just approaching this trend line, and it is well above the POC. So once it starts closing above this level, that is around 1685 level, it may go to 1695-97 level. Now this is a new part of my technical analysis, this collar neckline. So this collar neckline works very well. So once this 1695 odd level is breached by UBL, and if it sustains above it, next target for coming days will be, first will be 17,028. Let me mark it, 17,028 odd level, and afterwards the next target will be this level 1754, and once this level is breached, then it may go to touch this upper part of that channel. So UBL is looking very well positionally, and you have to watch out for this trend line also, this trend line which will be acting as a support for coming days. So this is a triangular pattern. Once this pattern is broken, then the target may be as per the technical analysis, the target may be 127 point. So let me put this 127 point somewhere here. This is point of breakout. Then it is, see how beautifully it comes out to exactly that level, which is where the upper part of this channel is lying. So 1810, which may be the final target for UBL in next 1 week or so, or even in 2 weeks or so. Naukri, this stock is also looking very strong. Let's see the daily chart. Now see what is happening here. Now in the daily chart, it is just has touched its long term support. This is in my technical DNS analysis, it is an origin. Okay, so whenever the origin trend line is taken as support, then the stock goes very fast. So first time it took support here, and then see here from 3400 it went all the way to 4600. Now again it has come down here after being repelled from the supply zone, and it is again trading near this trend line, and after a consolidation it has started its up move. So now see here also the collar neckline theory is working very well. So it has just broken the collar neckline here, and with the very good bullish candle, so it looks very strong indeed, and in coming days it will be a very good stock to hold. So next target, maybe this level, that is 4600 positionally, and then 4900, and once this level is breached, it may see the next supply zone lies here 5600, but it will not going to happen in a day or two. But definitely keep in mind, keep this chart before you, it is going to do very well in coming days. So these are the two stocks which are looking positionally very strong, UBL and Naukri. And that's all for this video. Keep watching my video, keep sharing it. Please put your comments there so that I can know how you find my videos, what do you think about my videos, and if possible try to share to as many as possible. Thank you very much. Good night.